Here are 10 foods to stay away from if you're managing diabetes. For those managing diabetes, certain foods can lead to blood sugar spikes and health complications. Avoiding high sugar, refined, and processed foods is key to maintaining stable glucose levels. But before we dive into these foods, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soda, sweetened iced tea, and sports drinks are loaded with added sugars. These sugars are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. For people with diabetes, this can be particularly dangerous as it makes blood sugar harder to manage. Sugary drinks also contribute to insulin resistance, making it harder for the body to regulate glucose levels over time. Many of these beverages also lack essential nutrients, providing empty calories that can lead to weight gain. Replacing sugary drinks with water or unsweetened beverages is a better choice. For those craving flavor, try adding a slice of lemon or a splash of unsweetened fruit juice to water. Number 2. White bread and pasta. White bread, pasta, and other refined carbs are high glycemic foods that can cause a quick rise in blood sugar levels. These foods are made from refined flour, which has had most of its fiber and nutrients removed. Without fiber, these carbs are digested rapidly, leading to sharp spikes in blood glucose. Whole grain alternatives like whole wheat bread and pasta provide more fiber, which can help slow the absorption of sugars. Fiber not only supports blood sugar control, but also helps with feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Regular consumption of refined carbs can also increase the risk of heart disease. For those with diabetes, switching to whole grains is a small but impactful change. Number 3. Pastries and baked goods. Pastries, cakes, cookies, and donuts are often high in both sugar and refined flour, which can quickly spike blood sugar. They also contain unhealthy fats, particularly trans fats, which increase the risk of heart disease. For people with diabetes, these baked goods are doubly harmful as they contribute to both poor blood sugar control and cardiovascular risk. While these treats may be tempting, they often lack any substantial nutrients, meaning they add empty calories. Instead of regular pastries, consider making homemade versions with healthier ingredients like almond flour and stevia. This can allow for a treat without significantly impacting blood glucose levels. Moderation is key, as occasional indulgences are okay if balanced with a healthy diet. Number 4. Sweetened breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals marketed as healthy or fortified can contain high amounts of added sugar. Even cereals that claim to be whole grain can have several grams of sugar per serving. This added sugar causes a quick rise in blood glucose, which is challenging for people with diabetes to manage. High sugar cereals also lead to a crash in energy levels shortly after, prompting more hunger. Unsweetened oatmeal or whole grain, sugar-free cereals are a better choice as they provide more fiber and a slower release of energy. Adding fresh fruit or a sprinkle of cinnamon can add flavor without a major sugar boost. When shopping, it's essential to read the nutrition labels carefully to ensure you're choosing a low-sugar option. Number 5. Flavored yogurts. Flavored yogurts, especially those labeled as fruit-flavored or low-fat, often contain added sugars to enhance taste. Many commercial yogurts can have as much as 20 grams of added sugar per serving, which can cause rapid blood sugar spikes. For people with diabetes, this sugar load can make it difficult to maintain steady glucose levels. While yogurt is generally a healthy food due to its probiotics, opting for unsweetened or plain Greek yogurt is a smarter choice. Greek yogurt has a higher protein content which can help promote satiety and slow down the digestion of sugars. For added flavor, try mixing in fresh berries or a handful of nuts, both of which provide additional fiber and nutrients. This approach allows for a healthy snack without the added sugars found in flavored varieties. Number 6. Honey and maple syrup. Although honey and maple syrup are often seen as natural sweeteners, they still contain high amounts of sugar. Just like regular sugar, these natural sweeteners can lead to quick spikes in blood glucose when consumed. Many people think they're healthier alternatives, but for diabetics, the effect on blood sugar levels is similar. Natural sweeteners like these are often used in recipes, so it's important to monitor portion sizes if you choose to consume them. A small drizzle occasionally may be fine, but frequent consumption can make it harder to keep blood sugar levels steady. Some artificial or plant-based sweeteners, such as stevia, can be good alternatives for diabetics. Moderation is key, as even natural sugars impact glucose levels. Number 7. Fried foods. Fried foods, such as French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings, are high in unhealthy fats and can contribute to insulin resistance. These foods are often cooked in oils that contain trans fats, which can raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and lower HDL, good cholesterol. For diabetics, this combination increases the risk of heart disease, which is already a concern. Fried foods are also calorie-dense, contributing to weight gain that can make diabetes management more challenging. Additionally, some fried foods, like French fries, are made from starchy ingredients that convert to sugar in the body. Baked or grilled versions of these foods can be healthier alternatives that are lower in fat and calories. For better control of blood sugar, avoiding fried foods altogether is often recommended. Number 8. Trans fats. Trans fats, found in processed snacks, margarine, and certain baked goods, are particularly harmful for people with diabetes. These fats are created through hydrogenation, which gives foods a longer shelf life, but makes them harmful to heart health. Trans fats can lead to inflammation, insulin resistance, and high LDL cholesterol, all of which are detrimental for diabetics. Consuming these fats regularly can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, which is a common complication of diabetes. Many countries have taken steps to ban trans fats, but some processed foods may still contain them. Always check nutrition labels for partially hydrogenated oils, which indicate the presence of trans fats. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods is a safer choice for diabetics aiming to protect their heart and blood sugar levels. Number 9. Dried fruit. Dried fruits like raisins, dates, and apricots are nutrient-dense, but they're also concentrated sources of natural sugars. When fruits are dried, they lose water content, which intensifies their sugar levels, making even a small portion high in carbohydrates. This can cause quick blood sugar spikes, making dried fruits a challenging food for diabetics to incorporate. Fresh fruit, which has a lower sugar concentration and more water, is usually a better choice. If you choose to eat dried fruit, be mindful of portion sizes. Just a small handful can have a significant impact on blood glucose. Pairing dried fruit with a protein or fat source like nuts can help slow sugar absorption. However, it's generally safer to limit or avoid dried fruits when managing diabetes. Finally, number 10. Sugary snack bars. Many granola bars, protein bars, and snack bars are marketed as health foods, but they often contain high levels of added sugars and refined carbs. While they may provide a quick energy boost, this can be followed by a sharp blood sugar spike, which is challenging for diabetics to control. Some bars also contain unhealthy fats, making them a poor choice for heart health. Reading the nutrition label is essential, as some snack bars contain more sugar than a candy bar. Opt for bars with minimal ingredients, low sugar, and higher fiber content if you need a quick snack. Better yet, make homemade snack bars with whole ingredients like oats, nuts, and a low glycemic sweetener like stevia. Choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods as snacks is often a more diabetes-friendly approach. Making mindful food choices is a powerful step toward managing diabetes and achieving better health. By avoiding or limiting certain high sugar and refined foods, you can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference over time. Focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods, and don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Here's to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle.